Now the parents.
If everything disappears online, my school would be gone, my online friends would be gone.
At 3 a.m., you can find me laughing my heart out. But normally, I watch stuff related to astrophysics.
Reels?
Not at all.
Because I think it's actually boring, contrary to what other people think. It doesn't teach me anything. I'm just wasting my time.
My screen time is like 4 hours or something.
The parents are now going to answer some questions.
Affected the art of selling the idea to my parents and buying me something. So eventually, I can manipulate them into saying a yes.
Parental control, honestly, मैंने बहुत कंट्रोल नहीं करती हूँ because I believe कि ठीक है मैं जितना फ्री छोड़ती हूँ उसको, so you explore.
In my case, she's more pressure on me rather than I'm being more pressure on her.
They think my mom is basically the cool mom in our group because whenever my friends sleep over, she doesn't watch them.
Still, I feel that our time was definitely the golden period because we have been raised without any gadget.
आपके बच्चे कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हैं that has you a little worried. Is any of your kids doing anything?
She's always talking about, Mama, this reel is not working, we need to work on this. Mama, we need to do this. I mean, she's always talking about growth. And I keep on telling her, take it easy. Abhi, give it more time, you have a lot of time.
What do you think about money? What does money mean?
Money is irrelevant as long as you know how to spend it.
Honestly, as long as I can stop whatever I want, it's good. She's saying as if she pays for it herself. Abhi to the investment to your business is also going from my pocket. It's not even yours.
आप लोगों को लगता है कि आपके बच्चों का जो अभी बचपन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रक्चर्ड है, बहुत इज देयर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर टुडे की करियर चॉइसेस या बीइंग मोर चाइल्डहुड से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं? Now the parents. The parents are now going to answer some questions. Parental controls on social media. You want to start? You want to start? Who wants to go first?
You can start.
Parental control, honestly, मैंने बहुत कंट्रोल नहीं करती हूँ because I believe कि ठीक है मैं जितना फ्री छोड़ती हूँ उसको, so you explore, keep explore because I know what result I'm getting. If he's seeing the YouTube, he's using the online things, and I know I'm getting a good result, and I'm so proud of it. मतलब I'm getting the result. और जब कई बार definitely कई बार over हो जाता है, so yeah, I just stop it. I'll just remove everything. मैं internet भी काट दूँगी, सब कुछ कर दूँगी. You have to stay at home. But हाँ, eventually, but internet is very integral part of the life. So I don't keep any strict rules on that.
Yeah, I'm also not very rigid about it. Basically, figuring it out because both of us are working. So whenever we are out, nobody's watching her, and then I know she's obviously on her phone. But more than that, I think it's about the content that she's consuming. That is what matters to me. Because time control is not possible right now because both of us are working. So what she's consuming is more important for us.
That is more important.
So do you try and sort of block some sites or something?
I have synced both her phones, so I keep a watch on whatever she's watching. Yeah.
So actually, there are no particular rules about consuming social media and online, but we cannot keep kids away from the gadgets because it is actually required for their academics also. But definitely, I always try and keep a check on the screen time. So definitely the content he's consuming. And secondly, I mean, if it is too much, I definitely say that it's been now 3 hours or 4 hours or 2 hours. So it's better that stop it and probably go out with the friends and play something like that.
Yeah, even I don't control much as she's in an online school, but they have certain rules, like with the online school classes also, and her free time watching. So there's not like I don't control because मुझे लगता है हम जितना उनको बोलेंगे बार बार, so हम लोगों से कुछ ना कुछ छुपाएंगे या ना एक ट्रस्ट खत्म हो जाता है बच्चों के साथ. आज अगर मतलब मी एज अ मम, मैं अगर मनिष्का के साथ आई एम वेरी मच कि यू कैन शेयर विद मी एनीथिंग एंड एवरीथिंग, तो शी डज राइट. और अगर मैं बोलूँगी नहीं आप क्या देख रहे थे, इतना क्यों देख रहे थे, देन ना वो बच्चे के दिमाग में आई गेस इट्स इन अ डिफरेंट वे. at this age, because they are
The
turning
generation
up.
is also different.
Yeah, the generation is different. This is the first generation, Gen Alpha, who is completely born in technology. And you cannot keep them away because their consuming is more faster than what we used to do. And hum log ke time pe we used to do it just for entertainment. I always say that. And for them, it is a very different thing. And like what we even we do watch, right? And then I don't want someday if I'm stopping her and then she says like, you also watch, right? And like my younger one is like too much with me, like नहीं आप भी तो देखते हो. So I don't want them to stop it, because ना gradually बच्चे इतने smart है that धीरे धीरे they understand कि क्या देखना है क्या नहीं देखना. अभी जैसे K-pop पूरा इंडिया में है. So I've seen my cousins kids also, right? कि एक certain age आती है, then they stop watching K-pop music and all.
My
They switch to
friends' parents stop them from watching K-pop and that stuff. I don't know why, because I think it's good, but yeah.
And when they meet up, they talk, and then they talk about it. And all my friends' kids also share with me, like auntie, you don't stop her and all that. So
They think my mom is basically the cool mom in our group, because whenever my friends sleep over, she doesn't watch them, like she doesn't stop them from watching what they want, but there's a limit.
So I get there should be some instructions to kids, but not in that way कि एकदम foundations ही कर दे and you keep poking कि क्या कर रहे हो
So
क्या नहीं कर
nowadays
रहे हो.
everything is related to social media.
Exactly.
If they want to work homework also, everything is on the internet. स्कूल्स अपने ही वेबसाइट पे सब कुछ डालते हैं सब कुछ करने के लिए, तो बच्चों को तो सब कुछ ही, ही इज अ राइटर सो ही हैज टू राइट, then again he has to with the screen time.
And there are certain books you don't get in the market, and like they have a digital library in 21K school. I never find those kind of stuff and book in India.
Like in my school, there are lots of authors. So in our school website, we also have their books so that we can read our school students' books. So not only school like books outside, but the books they have written. So yeah.
But how did you decide to send her to an online school?
Actually, the COVID happened, and the regular school she was going in modern school in Dehradun. But because she's into robotics since the age of 5, and then suddenly I was looking for a home school, because that time I was thinking like, if her structure is coming in a very good way and she's very passionate, so she should give, because whenever she's coming home, then I have to take her to robotic classes. Back then in COVID, and she was all isolated, no robotics, nothing, and the school started suddenly online, and because she was in just grade 1 that time. And then in that duration I was searching, and I was connected to a lot of parents in Bangalore, because she used to participate in national competitions, and then parents of South Indian parents, I got to know that they are more into homeschooling, and then they have tuitions after 6th grade. Then I also tried this, and I tried to search a lot of schools, but then I landed into 21K school, which is by Yashwant sir, and Ronnie Screwwala is a part of it. And then it went very nice, and every year I ask her, do you really want to go to physical school? Then she said, I'm very good with it. Plus, it's not only about online school, they also have social meetups, physical meetups, they have sports carnival, they go travel, national, international, so they have all kind of things.
Since my high school started, my mom has been asking me this question almost every week. Do you want to go to offline school? Because my offline friends are in high school with offline, but I'm fine. I'm completely fine with my online school. I think it's really better for me as I'm doing robotics, because my previous offline school was really supportive, but I couldn't get that much time in robotics, so online school's
And
way
for
better
me,
for me.
I really want my child to eat garam khana, rather than just packing and traveling एक कोने से दूसरे कोने में जाओ, and the food is missing, skip हो रहे थे बहुत सारी चीजें, and then I just realized कि this is much better, and she's happy. For me, in my case, if she's happy and comfortable, then there's nothing like that. But अगर कल के दिन she says, Mama, I want to go to offline school, then of course it's
No, I don't think so.
She's so clear.
Okay, again to the parents. Is this generation that has too much screen time? Is there any concern around too much screen time, being indoors all the time?
So actually, screen time is always there, but then after COVID, it increased. Because certain apps they went completely online. The methodology of teaching went online. The thing we could not have even thought of before COVID, now they are the reality. As you were saying that online jobs are there, so we could never ever think that it could be there. People are not going to office, but now it's happening. So similarly with the kids, so they cannot be away from the screen, but then we need to decide the optimum level of mix with the screen time and the outdoor time.
But is it too much? What do you
It
think?
is too much.
It is too much.
Yes.
It is. I think it is a very 50-50 kind of a mix. I let her watch a lot of things and I let her be online for the kind of content that she watches. It's only for making candles or for music. That is what she watches. But otherwise, whenever she's not watching anything, I let her go out and play her tennis and take her music classes and dance classes. So yeah.
What do you think?
Definitely screen time है ही ज़्यादा, but it's 50-50 and everything is related to screen time now.
तो कुछ कर नहीं सकते हैं.
कुछ कर नहीं सकते. हाँ. Being a parent हम सोचते तो बहुत है कि screen time बहुत ज़्यादा है, but we have left with no option.
Okay, again to the parents. आपके बच्चे कुछ ऐसा कर रहे हैं that has you a little worried? Is any of your kids doing anything जो आपको लगता है नहीं?
No, in my case, it's not like that. Because I'm monitoring everything. And plus, I don't think so. Because, if kids are watching something, वो आ ही जाता है, पता ही चल जाता है.
और भी कुछ अगर कर रहे हैं that you think?
Nothing like, see, in my case, because she's in online school, apart from them, her contents and everything, she's watching space, doing robotics, DIY. And even I have work from home and I have my parents and, so सामने ही होता है सब. So ऐसा कुछ पीठ पीछे तो पता ही नहीं चलता. बाकी there is a time of everything. She has to be on bed 10:30 off मतलब off है. And Monday to Friday, Saturday, Sunday we do enjoy. We go.
Saturday, Sunday there is no sleep time.
No sleep time, and
Sleep
there are
wherever.
week mein there is no screen for everyone, not only for her, but with me, with mom, dad, and everyone. So we do go out. I stay in Dehradun right now, so the Forest Research Institute is near me, so we go for a walk, and I take them to Maggie Point to eat Maggie, Masuri, पहाड़ों में जाके. So what my parents used to do, they used to take me on weekends. So I take them to all those small places, Even
Nowadays,
if that is
cricket is happening, so Saturday, Sundays, our family watches cricket
we are
together.
watching IPL, Sharp at 7 and eating together. So there are, I don't have anything to,
I mean, it doesn't bother me, but only thing is we need to keep a tab upon. Now the kids are of this age, probably they are bound to experiment some things, and I think we should let them loose, because once they experience them by themselves, only then they'll be learning. Only thing is they should not fall into the dark side of the things. So this is what I actually intend to keep a check upon. Otherwise, nothing.
Honestly, I'm not worried at all. She's a blessing. Even when she's home and I'm not home, I really don't keep a watch on her. But when I come back home, I always have a proper meal ready for me. So she's also help in the kitchen.
Wow. Wow. Oh, wow.
Yeah. So I'm really not worried about anything.
I'm just worried about because of this again screen time only, because थोड़ा family time कम हो जाता है, because kids में तो patience ही नहीं होता इतना better. That's the only thing which I bother, because हमारे time में screen time कम होता था, तो it was supposed to be family time, we play. So अब एक rule है कि Friday and Saturday we sit together before my younger child and my husband, we sit together, we play cards, we play board games, and it's fixed because you have to play. So 2-3 घंटे उसमें कहाँ चलाता तो बहुत अच्छा लगता है कि यार ठीक है, but that's again the bother which really bothers me, because family time कम हो जाता है बच्चों के साथ.
आप लोगों को लगता है कि जो आपके बच्चों का जो अभी बचपन है वो बहुत ज़्यादा स्ट्रक्चर्ड है, बहुत इज देयर अ लॉट ऑफ प्रेशर टुडे कि करियर चॉइसेस या बीइंग मोर सॉर्ट ऑफ चाइल्डहुड से थोड़ा सा ज़्यादा कर रहे हैं? इज I know you're nodding your head कि नहीं ऐसा कुछ नहीं है.
नहीं, in my case, see, it is totally different because I am a professional artist and I've done my fine arts and all that. And मेरे दिमाग में हमेशा से था if I'll have a child or something like that, तो वो भी जाए. But with her and with my son, and अभी he's 10 years, but with her it's totally different. She's so opposite. मतलब बहुत सारी चीजें ऐसी होती है कि मुझे तो पता ही नहीं. Of course, I'm not
feels
from
are really opposite.
really
Like,
opposite. I can only help her in design and thinking, right? But in other and this is her thing. क्योंकि sometimes ना मेरी जो family है या friends है उन लोग को लगता है कि I'm pressuring her. But मैं pressure तो तभी कर सकती हूँ ना अगर मेरी खुद की field होती है. Then she's supposed to be doing good and all that because she'll be going in the same college, same thing and all that. But in her case, तो it's totally different. यहाँ पे I need to learn more. I never knew how to glow in LED also, to be very frank. But a 6-year-old girl is teaching me, and I used to do a lot of stop motion, and I'm learning a lot from her, right? And there is nothing structured कि यही करना and all that. कल के दिन if she's walking up to me and she said, "Mama, I want to do." अभी तो इसी ने एस्ट्रोनॉट बनना है. सो इसी ने ना अपना एक वो टाइम टेबल बना रखा है कि इतने अब शी वांट्स टू डू स्कूबा डाइविंग दिस ईयर विद अ सर्टिफिकेशन.
Well, I've been wanting to do it for years, but
Yeah.
I couldn't because of my
एंड नाउ
age
माय होमवर्क
restriction.
इज दैट कि आई नीड टू सर्च कि कहाँ पे सर्टिफिकेशन है, पौंडीचेरी समवेयर. दिस इज माय होमवर्क व्हिच इज गिवन बाय हर टू मी, राइट? एंड मेरी फील्ड में होती तो मेरे को ज़्यादा प्रेशर होता है बिकॉज शी हैज़ टू परफॉर्म गुड देन मी इफ शी इज़ लैंडिंग इनटू द सेम कॉलेज और सेम सराउंडिंग्स. सो in my case, I am like she's more pressure on me rather than I am being more pressure on her.
What do you feel?
But I think if I compare my childhood with my son's childhood, probably, there's a stark difference. So I think the things were never structured when we were child, and things are even structured now because see, the ecosystem entirely changed. So they have their own set of pros and cons when it comes to the structuring of the of their childhood. So there were certain things we didn't have any access to, but now they have. So it's a way of life. So I think everything has its own charm. So but still I feel that our time was definitely the golden period because we have been we have been raised without any gadgets, and probably we had those connects with the people in the world. So my childhood friends, the people I come from Shimla. So we have, I studied in St. Edward. So I have, my alumni spread across the world, and whenever we meet, so it's like we are meeting after 20 years. So it doesn't feel that, we have met after 20 years. It's like that. So disconnect, I think, is missing in today's era.
What about you?
I think structured, though, I think she takes more pressure herself. I don't pressurize her for anything. She wants to achieve a lot in very small time, very short span of time. She wants to achieve a lot of things. She's always talking about, Mama, this reel is not working. We need to work on this. Mama, we need to do this. I mean, she's always talking about growth, and I keep on telling her, take it easy. Abhi, there is more time. You have a lot of time. Because I wanted her to do this candle business just because she was very keen on making candles, and we saw an opportunity there, and then she started making it on a in a bigger scale. So, but I keep on telling her, relax. This is not your age to work. Mama, I'm gonna earn this much this month. She keeps on talking about money, and I keep on telling her, nahi, abhi ruk jao. We don't need to pressurize ourselves with money. So yeah, so that's on herself. I don't push her to do those things. Yeah.
Structured, I don't think. But pressure, he doesn't have pressure. I give him pressure. That's an opposite. And he say, Mama, जब मैं pressure नहीं ले रहा, आप क्यों ले रहे हो pressure? And exams है, please पढ़ लो. No, the marks doesn't matter.
Oh, wow.
The exposure really matters.
And they even know कि इतने when she talks like
He's satisfied.
I'll get
Yeah.
90, I'll get
हाँ,
90,
हाँ,
don't
that's what he
worry.
said.
And in our time, we were like worried अब result आएगा, we have to go with parents.
He knows अगर if I want to study this, I'll get 90%. But अगर मेरे को 95 चाहिए तो मेरे को थोड़ा सा और पढ़ना पड़ेगा, which I'm not studying. मैं satisfied हूँ 90.
Eventually, अगर मैं नहीं भी पढ़ूंगा, and I said to her, 7th के marks don't matter at all.
Which is true.
Nobody cares about what you did in primary or secondary. Even later down the line, even if you failed 8th, you can still get into most Ivy Leagues. So 70 marks.
स्कोर
from me.
90% तो मैं कहती 90% से 90% इज गुड. आपको क्या हो गया है? प्लीज डोंट प्रेशर मी.
Like, if I don't want to get above 90, why would I purposely study? क्यों दूँ अपने आप को stress?
Fair. अच्छा, ये बच्चों के लिए है. Attitude to money. What do you think about money? What does money mean? Lots of smiles, but no answers. कोई तो शुरू करो. Who wants to start?
Money is irrelevant as long as you know how to spend it.
I thought as long as you know how to earn it.
I mean, earning is different because earning a lot of money, it's not easy, but it's possible. Keeping a lot of money is difficult. You know, you have this, as soon as you make some money, oh, I want to do this, I want to do this. But you have to think about you have to give yourself money in installments. You have to, oh, I just made X amount of money. I have to give myself this to spend on this and control my spending. But self-control is an issue. So money is irrelevant as long as you don't know how to spend it.
I mean, I haven't thought about it because whenever I win competitions, I give myself like some part of it because I guess I deserve that. I spend it on whatever I want, and I don't really control money because if I want something like really, really much, like clothes, because my mom buys me, so yeah. But I try to save up what I get through prize monies and all. So
I
yeah.
have this feeling, I haven't proved it yet, but whenever I get money from my relatives, my mom says I'll keep it, okay, I'll keep it safe, but I never see that money again. Yeah.
Your suspicion is correct. You're never going to see it. Okay, so what percentage do you spend out of your winnings?
Me? I mean, depends on how much I worked on that competition. So, and it depends on whatever I want. So suppose I've been eyeing a like shoe like from Converse. I want to buy them, so it's like 6,000 around. So I mean, I would like, if I work hard, I'll take 6,000. But if I don't, then it goes to the savings, I guess. It depends on how you work.
You don't see your mother who's keeping it safely. No.
I mean, my mother of course has it.
No,
but
she have her
I-
own bank
yeah,
account,
so-
so I always show her like whatever, like when she won the
my mom
colors.
discusses the financials with me, so it helps me a lot how to
Because
save them.
I
how to
don't
spend
want
them.
in long run she used to, where is my money and everything,
My
because
mom shows me.
I
And I
show
also
her
have
everything.
a like card, Juno card, which has a 10,000 limit. So my mom gives me the pocket money. It goes there, and if I
And rest
shop, then I
and
buy.
rest the competition money I save her for her future, because her competition winning prize is at 1 lakh, 2 lakh, 10 lakhs.
It would help me.
So I always fix it so that I don't need to answer her in future. That's for her future.
But you tell her where that money is?
Yeah, because she have a account, her own account with me, like joint account, right? And I show her everything because मुझे लगता है financial
I
literacy.
check everything and I
financial
know the
lit-
passwords of everything.
Yeah,
Like,
and I think
crazy.
financial literacy बच्चों को अब से शुरू हो जानी चाहिए.
I think every parent should,
I figured out one day that if I start worrying about money right now, what am I gonna do when I'm an adult? I'm free and I don't have enough money to spend on the things I like. So I don't buy anything small and irrelevant. Whenever I ask something from my parents, something big like a piece of clothing that's worth like 8,000 rupees, and if I ask them for something, they just like fed up because I don't buy stuff that small because I pay no attention to it. But whenever I ask something, it's something huge.
And do you always hear a yes or you hear a no?
Eventually, I hear yes.
इसको आता है आपको कैसे कन्विंस करना basically?
From last 3 years, he's studying psychology of money also. So I think 4th standard से तो मेरे को एक बार मैथ्स के टीचर ने बोला कि डोंट यू थिंक इज टू यंग टू स्टडी दिस, और आपने उसको ये बुक दी है. मैंने कहा मैम मैंने नहीं दी है. इससे खुद
I found it in my dad's desk.
Yeah.
अच्छा.
And we got to know after a month he's studying because he's taking that book in the school, and meanwhile मतलब free time में he studies that book. मैंने कहा कहता मम्मा मेरे को नॉलेज होनी चाहिए इन सब चीज़ों की. तो मैं थॉट ठीक है कुछ गलत तो नहीं है, ठीक है कीप ऑन स्टडिंग.
for me, whenever I spend money or ask my mom anything, it's a yes. I usually spend it on like books. She buys me anytime I want, but I usually spend it on clothes because for me, how I look to someone else is really important. So my mom never says no to me when I want to buy something. But if it's not, you know, I can't. If it's not compulsory, so then she doesn't. It's like that.
Perfected the art of selling the idea to my parents of buying me something. So eventually I can manipulate them into saying a yes.
Feel for you.
I was reading a book called Rich Dad Poor Dad. It's a really good book. So I learned a lot from that. And I can easily convince my mom to buy
And
me
I
anything.
guess after that only she has so many questions. आपने कहाँ saving करी है, mutuals किए कि नहीं किए, FDs करी कि नहीं करी. Then I said I have.
इवन आजकल बच्चों को शेयर मार्केट्स का भी बहुत नॉलेज हो गया.
I asked her about I asked her about a few things about her business that I was curious about, and she just said, "बच्चा है ये क्यों पूछ रहा है? मैं आंसर कैसे करूँ?"
या ही keeps on asking me, मामा आपकी टीम ये कैसे कर रही है? ओके अच्छा मार्केटिंग टीम में ना डोंट टेक द यूज ऑफ एआई. मैंने कहा व्हाई? नो एआई आप यूज नहीं करोगे.
Yeah, it makes the business look cheap if you use AI as the front cover, but keeping it in the back rooms, that's perfectly
सो
fine.
टेल योर मार्केटिंग टीम, मतलब ये मेरे को गाइड करता है बिजनेस के लिए. सो फील्स गुड कि अच्छा ठीक है इतना बच्चा बच्चा बड़ा छोटा भी है, बट कई बार मेरे को लगता है कि इट्स नॉट योर पार्ट, डोंट आस्क मी दीस थिंग्स.
And if my mom doesn't buy me, then I always have my nanu. He buys me everything.
My God, you really got it sorted, huh?
Yeah, because Nanu never like says no to me. He is always the person. If my mom and my grandmom are saying no, Nanu is the one who buys me everything. So he takes me out secretly, and like not telling my nanny, of course. Then he buys me, and then we come home and then I show them my clothes.
Okay, Veronica, आप तो कमा रही हैं पैसे. हाँ?
I don't know.
Nee, what do you think about money? Why do you want to earn and why do you want to grow your business right now?
Honestly, as long as I can shop whatever I want, it's good.
That's the only reason.
Yeah.
Like she pays for herself.
For everything.
And that's what I'm saying. She's saying as if she pays for it herself. Abhi to the investment to your business is also going from my pocket. It's not even yours.
So, do you know how much you've invested and kitna? What are you making a profit or not making a profit yet?
I do not understand that much about money. I'm not great in maths. For the
Money has
money,
nothing to do with maths.
it does has the calculations and
2
stuff.
plus 2 तो 4 ही होता है. मतलब it's not a complicated equation नहीं करनी पड़ती है.
So it's a 4-year-old business. She's making a like good profit on it, and she does most of those exhibitions. So pop-up studios, that's what she works on, and basically during Diwali and Christmas, because that's the season time. Now she's scaling up. She's created a body butter also in it. Now she wants to create something else. So she keeps on working and experimenting on it.
But to do a pop-up, like you need a lot of inventory then.
Yeah, she makes it. That's why she keeps on making all year round. And then during Christmas and Diwali, she
Sells it.
does the pop-ups. Yeah.
I have a 3D printer with me, so I mean, I also do pop-up stores with the 3D printer. It's with my brother because I wanted to do something with him. So we have I bought a 3D printer from the prize money I won. So then we have we 3D print lots of stuff and then put it in flea markets, pop-up store, or if my some of my friends if they want to buy it because they
You don't give it free basically.
I don't.
Ah.
They have to give me something because I design it, everything, basic to basic things. And then my friends want new things. They have lots of demands.
अच्छा नानू को free देते हो कि नहीं?
But it's Nanu's only, na? Whole everything.
फिर
I'm also
as a-
Nanu. So
Okay, what about you? What do you think about money?
I don't care about, don't really care about money. I care about having a basic financial literacy. I don't really care about money. I care more about collecting it. And not like collecting it, like hoarding it in piggy banks or something like that. I mean like collecting rare coins and notes. So I'm really interested in that. And I have like a very good collection of that.
Oh really? Of
Yes.
coins or notes?
Of both. So I collect different currencies and I collect some older coins.
Okay. Okay, there's going to be, मतलब if you're talking to Gen Alpha, rapid fire तो होना चाहिए ना?
Yes, I love
होना चाहिए
rapid
ना?
fire.
Oh, you love rapid fire? Okay. Acha, I think we'll open it to parents as well. So whoever wants, I mean, everybody can. My child spends too much time on, so this is for the parents. My child spends too much time on.
Screen.
Screen.
Screen. Okay, now this is for the children. My parent does not understand.
Me.
Gen Z slangs.
Oh!
Geography.
Science, I guess. My mom not from the science side, so science.
Okay. So, वैसे Gen Alpha slangs क्या हैं?
I don't talk in that language. I don't like it. I think it's
Sometimes when I hear about the stuff that kids my age are doing, I do not want to be associated with my generation.
yeah. My friends like say those 6, 7 and Gen Z.
Yeah.
I don't.
It's a slop until I do it.
Ah, I see.
You know, it's not funny.
Deep.
It's cringe until I do it.
Of
Because if
course,
I do it,
deep.
then it's really funny.
Of course.
I think it's really cringe. I don't like it. I do use somewhat which I think are cool, but I don't talk in that language. I usually talk formally or casually. No slangs for me.
Not really. I don't really talk in slangs, and like or like most of my friends, they also like don't prefer like all of these new trends, 6, 7, and slangs like that.
My brother does.
She does it all the time. And she's like, the other day she said, "Bruh, I look so chopped." And I was like, what? What's this chopped? What is this chopped?
What does it mean?
And then I just Googled and checked what it is.
What does it mean?
It means, she told me later.
It means when you look very. Yeah,
Horrible!
like you don't look good. You think you look chopped like that. I had to learn because of my brother. Sometimes translated to my nani because she gets confused because she knows good English, but then these words don't
क्योंकि
make
ना
sense.
ये समझना इट्स वेरी डिफिकल्ट एंड फिर दिलो ये माय सन टॉक्स लाइक एज इन मुझे ही इंग्लिश नहीं आती होगी हमें घर पे सबको ऐसा लगता है हमें हमने पता नहीं कौन से जमाने की सीखी एंड दिस इज द थिंग
That happens, you know. The thing that the
एंड
era
देन
we
आई
were in.
आस्क her चुपके से यार व्हाट इज इट मुझे पहले से ही बता देना बिकॉज आई हैव टू गिव हिम द
Look good in front of yourself.
Yeah.
So there's a gap of 2 generations, sir. Alpha and this Gen Z.
या
Gen Z slangs are different and Gen Alpha slangs are.
I accidentally used the short abbreviation text forms of words in an English essay in an exam. I said gonna instead of going to. I said I don't even know.
Gonna
Like
is
I
not
said
English.
you. I wrote you instead of YOU.
या इवन शी डिड द सेम
Wait.
But
I'll
she
clear
did
it. I did
because
not-
में because and she write just the shortcut of it.
See, I
Just
just
like they do mistake in the exams.
no, but I didn't do it in exam. She took my test for writing. I started writing a while ago for like, of course, boards and all. But yeah, that's why I was so embarrassed because when I chat,
Okay, guys, more rapid fire. I learn most from.
Her.
I learn most from. YouTube. I learn most
From media.
Internet.
social media.
Instagram.
Him. Okay. मेरे फोन में सबसे ज्यादा
Photos.
Okay, messages, I guess.
I mean, contact numbers.
Video games.
Unseen messages.
I think her pictures. Maybe.
Messages, yeah.
My brand text.
I also have photos, but from childhood, like my brothers, my families. So photos, lots
Definitely
of
a
photos.
close second would be bad pictures of my friends.
Yeah, I also have that. Very embarrassing.
Yeah, I'm not gonna
Why
post it
bad
anyway.
pictures?
But
Do
it
that.
it
They
gives
take
me
bad
power
pictures
over
of
them.
their friends.
My
And then they
friends
post
have
it on
clicked
the birthday.
embarrassing
Okay, guys,
pictures of me.
final. I wish my parent would.
I don't know. I don't think so. My mom's cool, so I don't want anything.
Okay, I wish my parent would.
One thing, watch K-dramas with me.
Okay, I wish my parent would.
Maybe buy an Xbox or console like all of my other friends, and they're constantly shoving it in my face. Like, you still play on a mobile? You still play on a mobile?
Really bad. Please. I wish my parent would.
I don't know.
कुछ तो होगा. पेरेंट्स से कुछ तो उम्मीद होगी कुछ
You've lost hope.
Yeah, it's all die. Yeah. I'm down too old. My parents can't change. Is that it?
I honestly don't know.
Okay. I wish my parents.
Take me seriously.
You want to be a comedian and then you're saying they should take you seriously.
Okay, on that note, I want to close this table. It's been a boatload of fun, and we never said 6, 7, and we didn't do any of those bad things. But before I close, I want to request all you people to subscribe, to like, to watch it. It's so much fun to be with this generation, to understand what floats their boat. That's a much older saying. And, you know, how they're going to shape our world when they are older. So do keep watching.